Hi everybody, Lucas at Lexus of Madison, service consultant here. I just wanted to reach out to everybody and let them know that even though you might not be putting a whole lot of miles on your vehicle during these times, we still want to see you in for routine service. Lexus recommends coming in every 5,000 miles or 6 months, whichever occurs first. So it's been about 6 months since we last saw you. We definitely want to see you in for regular service. Just like going to the doctor's office for a routine checkup, we'll do a routine checkup on your vehicle, make sure that everything is proper, especially if you still have a factory warranty on your vehicle. If you might not be making the mileage requirement, there is a time requirement on your vehicle as well. So we can make sure that if there's any repairs that are necessary, those can still be covered. We're also still offering our valet service where we can come and pick up your vehicle, bring it to our facility for service, and then drop it right back off for you. A loaner vehicle can be provided while we have your vehicle in for service, so make sure to ask for that when you guys schedule for your services. Again, my name is Lucas with Lexus of Madison. I hope to see you soon.